Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Now in today's video we shall be talking about this revolutionary app that is called Dormint. Okay, now what is Dormint? Dormint is actually an app system that enables you to earn whenever you sleep. Okay, if you recall, there was a time, I don't know if you actually participated in that particular project that was called Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin, I earned a lot in Sweatcoin, and I was able to convert some of my coin into USDT on Binance through Sweatcoin. Okay, if you remember, Sweatcoin is all about you working. While you work, you earn some sweat. Okay, which could be converted to USDT or BUSD. So I earned a lot on that. Okay, and now there's another opportunity for you to earn through this one that is called Dormint. Okay, so this one actually helps you to earn whenever you sleep. Now there are two things this particular app has come to do. First and foremost is to help you have better sleep. Okay, because if you have better sleep, chances are that you will be always healthy. Okay, because these days a whole lot of people don't really have very good deep sleep any longer. Okay, so this app is trying to encourage you to sleep, have a very good time sleeping, and while you sleep you also earn some passive income. Okay, so that is the major purpose of Dormint, right? Now if you scroll down here, you will see that you see this logo of Apple App Store and also Google Play Store. Now this app is not readily available now as we speak. You can't find it on App Store or on Google Play Store. You can't find them now, but in the very nearest time this app will be released into the Play Store and the Google Play Store. Okay, so presently now I just want to walk you through so that you have first-hand information of what is about to happen. Okay, of how you'll be able to earn passively with your phone, okay, whenever you sleep, right? So this is the interface of the app. This is how it's going to be looking like. Okay, I'm going to show you a whole lot about this. Let's read that. Let's read it. Say Dormint is changing the way you spend 1/3 of your life forever. Okay. Now you remember it is believed that we spend 1/3 of our life sleeping. Okay. So why would you spend 1/3 of your life sleeping without you earning? All right. So it's very, very bad in that aspect. That is why Dormint is saying even while you sleep, you should be able to earn some income passively. Okay, a sleep analysis app with a twist combining the fun and long-term progression of gaming with monetary incentive, an active marketplace and education. Right. So this is how the interface is going to look like. So here, say how does it work? Okay, so let's just go take a walkthrough on how this app is going to work. If you scroll like this, you're going to see these are all the interface of how the app is going to look like. Okay, so first and foremost, it says welcome to Dormint. So here, when it eventually comes up on the App Store and the Google Play Store, you're going to download it, and this is how it's going to look like. Okay, then you say download the app and go through the introductory course, right? So after you download it, it's going to take you to the second one. Here you're going to set up your profile, choose your nickname, other settings to customize your profile. You will also be able to track your progress. Okay, this is the second interface of how the app is going to look like. Then here, these are the pillows, right? Now, for you to sleep, you need pillows for you to be able to sleep, okay? It says get a pillow. Now, these pillows are going to come in form of an NFT, okay? You all know, I believe some of us understand what NFT is, okay? It's called non-fungible token, right? So, you buy this NFT, okay, and you'll be able to earn on it. Okay, so you can see it says here choose a pillow suitable for your sleeping schedule on the in-app marketplace. You will need some DOM to buy one. Right now, one other thing about this Dormint is that they actually have they'll be coming up with a token that is called DOM. Now that DOM is what you will use practically in every form of trade on Dormint. Okay, now that DOM is what you will earn as a reward. Then you'll be able to convert it to either USDT or whatever, or whichever coin that you're going to be pairing DOM with, right? I'm going to be showing you in the course of this video, because in their roadmap, they will be listing, it is stated that they'll be listing DOM DOM, which is the token of this project, Dormint. They'll be listing it on SEX, on centralized exchange and some decentralized exchanges also. Okay, so that will now make it kind of easy for you to exchange your DOM token for any other stable coin that they'll be pairing it with. Okay, and you can use that DOM also to purchase some pillow in form of NFT, right? There's a twist to this project whereby if you buy, there are different prices for different pillows. Okay, so the pillow, the prices of the pillow would determine the amount of DOM you'll be able to earn. Okay, so if you want to accelerate your earning on Dormint, then you have to buy pillows that are of higher prices, and that will help you to accelerate your income by you earning more. Okay, it could be S2, S3, S4, or S10. Okay, so all that you're going to be finding in the app when the app eventually launches. Okay, then you're going to come down here. You see it says set up your sleeping schedule. Here you'll be able to set up your sleeping schedule. Now it's time to give it a try. Adjust your sleep period according to the recommendation and your personal need. So here, before you go to bed, you're able to adjust your sleeping time and all that on this interface. Okay, then when you come here, it says time to check out your progress. Okay, now after you must have slept and you wake up, you should be able to see how healthy did you sleep, what is it, what is, how deep was your sleep. Okay, and also on this interface you'll be able to see how much you earn while you were sleeping. So I think it's just going to be kind of fun at the same time you earn, right? So on this interface on the app, you're going to see the quality of your sleep and how much you were able to earn while you were sleeping. Okay, then this is the last place. You see explore, learn, and sleep and earn. Okay, so this is exactly how this whole thing is going to look like. Let me quickly show you some of the guys that are behind this project. Okay, if you scroll down, you're going to see the team here. Okay, you see the team. The CEO is Dan. Okay, so if you click on this picture here, you can see this sign of him sleeping, right? So he's the head of asset management in blockchain focused family office. Okay, you can see he's even a staff of ex PricewaterhouseCoopers consultant. So let's look at the other guys here. Let's see this. This is George, the CTO, Chief Technical Officer. Okay, if you click on it, it's going to see showing this sign of sleep. I just love this guy. This picture is very fun. Okay, so you can see other members of the team here also. You can see the advisor. You can see Michael here. You can see Ali, right? So, and Dom is actually partnering with a whole lot of giant companies in the blockchain ecosystem. You can see they're partnering with Polygon because the whole process of this DOM is going to be running on the on the Polygon network, right? It's going to be running on the Polygon network. You can see they are partnering with Chainlink, GameStarter, ToneStarter. Now, ToneStarter is going to be another big partnership in this project because ToneStarter is actually bringing blockchain to Telegram in such a way that you'll be able to transact, okay, on the blockchain through Telegram. So it's another big development on its own. Okay, ToneStarter. I'll be talking about ToneStarter in some of my other videos about Dormint. Okay, then they are also partnering with GoBit, right? Now there's something I want to show you. If you want to know more, I'm going to be dropping the link to Dormint right in the description of this video. So just check the first link in the description of the video. It's going to bring you up here and you're going to read more about Dormint yourself. But there's something I want you to check out. Okay, just click on these three dots here. I want you to check out the light paper. Okay, when you come here, just click on this light paper here. Okay, now when you click on this light paper, you're going to get a whole lot of information that you need about this project. Okay, you can see the abstract. Okay, so you see modern life comes with novel challenges that test the limit of human nature and self-control. Retaining a healthy sleep cycle and avoiding outright body clock abuse is a growing concern amidst a tidal wave of everyday stresses and an increasing amount of literature underpinning the dangers of neglecting the most important part of one's health and overall immunity. Okay, so like I already said, the essence of this project is just to help boost man's health and immunity. Okay, so you know all this information you're going to be getting here. So I will encourage you to just come read the light paper. Okay, read this light paper and get every damn information you need to know about it. Okay, So let me go back to the the main page and show you some other things you need to know about this project. Okay, so I will encourage you to join their Telegram. I joined the Telegram, and I'm getting some information from the Telegram as well, because if you join the Telegram, you'll be able to know when the app is going to go live on Apple Store, okay, and also on Google Play Store. Okay, you can join their Discord, their Twitter, follow them on Twitter and all that, okay, so that you'll be um informed whenever they have any updates. Okay, so also you can subscribe to them. Okay, just put in your email here and subscribe, and you get every other information you need about this project. This project is going to be a grand breaking project. I know that for sure, because I've been in a similar project like this before. Okay, now this is one other thing I want you to follow. This is their roadmap. Okay, if you come down here, you can see their roadmap. Now, this is 2022, second quarter to third quarter of 2022. You can see done. It means that they fulfill all this, which is concept development, utility token modeling. Okay, I told you about their token, which is called DOM. Okay, so they are done with all those modeling and the concept. This is now this is where we are on their roadmap. This is the first quarter of 2023, first NFT pre-sale, Dormint beta version testing. Okay, so all this will be coming up in the first quarter of 2023. Then second quarter of 2023, TGE and public sale, right? It is going to go live the second quarter. Then the DEX and SEX listing. I told you about them listing their coin, which is called DOM, on the centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. All that is going to be happening in the second quarter of 2023. Okay, then in the third quarter of 2023, the marketplace will launch. Wow, that is when you'll be able to, you know, buy your pillows and begin to do all sort of trading that you need to do on the marketplace. Okay, staking enabling. You can see the staking enabling NFT minting feature. So you'll be able to mint the pillow as an NFT on this platform in the third quarter of 2023. I think this project has a whole lot of things lined up in 2023, and I believe it's going to be big. Okay. So as more information unfolds about Dormint, I'll be dropping more videos concerning Dormint. So I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. So as I drop more videos about Dormint, you get to see them as they come. Okay. And also I want to believe you got value from this video. Now, if you got value from this video, I will appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. Okay. Like this video so that others will be able to see it as well. And I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye.